You sure?
Go ahead now.
Hi Pete, how are you doing? It's Happy Thanksgiving. It's Carol in Brooklyn, New York. Enjoying the Thanksgiving season with my family. These are all the dishes that we cooked. I hope you're having a feast. And this, I will send you a picture of our cooking Thanksgiving, Brooklyn, New York, 2018. Take care. Go ahead.
And that's the cook.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.